What if your road trip felt more like flying first class in your own private jet? Imagine rolling down the highway in a mansion on wheels, complete with marble floors, rooftop lounges, and even a garage for your Ferrari. Today in this video, we're exploring the top 5 luxurious, next-level motorhomes you'll never afford. But before we explore it, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of ultimate luxury. 1. Marchi Mobile, eleMMent Palazzo Superior, $3 million. We start with the undisputed king of motorhomes, the Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo Superior. Often described as the most expensive motorhome in the world, this futuristic creation costs nearly $3 million. At first glance, its space-age exterior is unlike any RV you've ever seen, with rounded curves, massive panoramic windows, and a design closer to a yacht than a motorhome. It commands attention instantly. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior offers 430 square feet of space, larger than many apartments. You'll be welcomed by Italian leather furniture, handcrafted wooden cabinets, and polished marble floors. The living room feels like the lobby of an ultra-luxury hotel, with mood lighting and plush seating designed for absolute comfort. The master suite includes a king-size bed, a full entertainment system, and even a walk-in closet. The bathroom resembles a spa, complete with a rainfall shower and premium fixtures that rival 5-star resorts. But the true showstopper is the Sky Lounge. With just the push of a button, the roof expands upward to create a rooftop terrace. Heated floors, seating areas, and cocktail tables make it the perfect spot for entertaining under the stars. In short, the Palazzo Superior isn't just about travel, it's about living like royalty on the move. 2. Volkner Mobil Performance S, $2 million. From Austria, we move to Germany, where precision meets luxury with the Volkner Mobil Performance S. This extraordinary RV costs around $2 million and is built for travelers who refuse to compromise on either engineering or elegance. The highlight here is the central garage system. Imagine pressing a button and watching a platform slide out from underneath the motorhome, revealing your Porsche 911 or Ferrari. No more leaving your sports car at home. This motorhome brings it along in style. Inside, you're greeted by high-gloss wood, fine leather seating, a chef-style kitchen, and a master bedroom suite. The living area feels warm and inviting, perfect for long journeys or hosting guests. What sets the Performance S apart is its cutting-edge smart technology. Every system, lighting, entertainment, climate, can be managed through an integrated panel or mobile app. It's essentially a smart home on wheels. Traveling in the Volkner Mobil Performance S is more than just moving from point A to B. It's a declaration of status, precision, and taste. 3. Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus, $2.5 million. Next up is the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus, a true masterpiece of over-the-top luxury, priced at around $2.5 million. If the previous motorhomes impressed you, this one takes extravagance to a whole new level. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by an environment that feels closer to a luxury penthouse than an RV. The interiors are dripping with opulence, imported Italian leather upholstery, Swarovski crystal accents, rare Inca marble countertops, and handcrafted hardwood cabinetry. Every surface gleams with sophistication, and the attention to detail makes you forget that you're actually inside a motorhome. Even the floors are heated marble, ensuring cozy comfort no matter where your travels take you. Like some of the other ultra-luxury RVs on this list, the Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus comes with a garage for your sports car, allowing you to bring along your Lamborghini, Porsche, or Ferrari. But Featherlite goes far beyond just storage. It offers a lifestyle of complete indulgence. Imagine sipping fine wine from your temperature-controlled wine cabinet, watching your favorite movies on multiple plasma TVs, or working out in your private fitness area, all while parked on the side of a scenic mountain road. The sound system delivers a cinematic experience, the ambient lighting creates the perfect mood, and the spacious living areas are designed for both relaxation and entertaining guests. The Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus is not just about travel, it's about making a bold statement. For the elite few who buy it, This motorhome doesn't whisper luxury, it shouts it from the rooftops. It embodies the philosophy of, why settle for less when you can truly have it all? 4. Newell Coach P50, $2 million. The Newell Coach P50 enters this list as a $2 million icon of modern luxury and innovation. Built in collaboration with Porsche Design, it immediately stands out with its sleek exterior lines, aerodynamic curves, and futuristic profile that make it look more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a typical RV. But what truly sets the P50 apart is the level of customization it offers. Each coach is tailor-made to its owner's specifications, which means no two P50s are exactly alike. Buyers work directly with Newell's design team to create a living space that perfectly reflects their taste and lifestyle. Whether it's a spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall showers, a gourmet chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, or a cinema-style lounge with plush seating and surround sound, the possibilities are endless. One of the most impressive innovations is the slide-out expansion system. At the push of a button, the walls extend outward, transforming the interior into an expansive apartment-like space. This feature makes the P50 feel much larger and more comfortable when parked, offering all the room you could ever need for entertaining or relaxing. Then there's the fully digital cockpit. Driving this motorhome isn't just about power. It feels like piloting a private jet on wheels. Advanced displays, navigation systems, and smart controls put everything right at your fingertips, ensuring both safety and convenience. The Newell Coach P50 proves that luxury doesn't have to be flashy. It's about refined elegance, cutting-edge technology, and endless personalization. For those seeking the perfect balance between style, comfort, and innovation, this motorhome is the ultimate choice. 5. Prevost H3 VIP, $1.6 million. Last on our list is the Prevost H3 VIP, a motorhome starting at $1.6 million, but easily climbing higher with customization. Known as the King of the Road, it's a favorite among celebrities, touring musicians, and executives who need comfort while constantly on the move. The H3 VIP offers the tallest interior height in the luxury RV industry, giving it a spacious, open feeling. The massive panoramic windows let natural light flood the space, blurring the line between indoors and outdoors. Inside, it can be customized into just about anything: a lavish lounge, an executive office, a home theater, or even a spa-style retreat. Some versions even include dedicated workspaces, making it ideal for those who want to combine business with luxury travel. Underneath, its powerful engine ensures that this massive vehicle handles long road trips with ease. It's not just about living in comfort, it's about traveling in confidence. For celebrities who spend months on tour, the Prevost H3 VIP is more than a motorhome. It's a rolling sanctuary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.